Hey there, welcome aboard. I'm Chidebra Arinze, and I will be your guide into the fascinating world of SQL. Today, we are going to dive into the basics of databases, those amazing systems that keep our digital world organized. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of how databases are set up, which will get you ready for our next lesson, where we will discuss tables and some good table manners. Ready? Let's get started. So, picture this. You are in charge of managing data for a library. You need a system to keep track of everything: patrons, books, and checkouts. That's exactly what a database does. It stores all this information in something called tables, where data is organized into rows and columns, kind of like a superpowered spreadsheet. For example, one of the tables in a library database is the patrons table. It stores details like library card numbers, names, when someone became a member, and any overdue fines they owe. Each piece of information gets its own column, making it easy to find exactly what you are looking for. Now, let's talk about something really cool: relational databases. Think of them as matchmakers, connecting different tables through relationships. Imagine each patron is linked to multiple checkouts. Thanks to these connections, we can effortlessly answer questions like, which book did James check out in 2022? Or, which books are the crowd's favorite? At first glance, tables in a database might remind you of spreadsheets, but databases are in a league of their own. They can handle way more data and come with top-notch security features like encryptions. And here is another big plus: multiple users can query the database at the same time without messing up the stored data. It's like having a super efficient team where everyone gets what they need without stepping on each other's toes. That's real magic of databases. Now, for the star of our show, SQL. Whether you say SQL or SQL, it stands for Structured Query Language. It's the go-to tools for creating, querying, and updating relational databases. Once you are familiar with your data and its whereabouts, SQL lets you craft query that can answer all sorts of questions about your library. But let's save that excitement for our next video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and share it with your friends. Can't wait to see you next time, where we will roll up our sleeves and start writing some SQL queries together. Until then, happy learning.